Have you tried everything and still found no real solution for your weight problem? If that's the case, the new minutes will be a game changer. Keep on watching.
Hello everyone. I am Sam. Today, Chef Sarah will demonstrate how to make low-carb keto noodles. This recipe is the most convenient, and most likely one of the delicious pasta dishes, and it is also gluten-free. Over to you, Sarah.
Thank you, Sam, and hello everyone. Today, I will demonstrate how to make low-carb keto noodles. As Sam told you, this recipe is the most convenient delicious pasta recipe. I will try to make it simpler. Learn more at www.scrumptious.pk. The preparation time is 20 minutes, and refrigeration time is 8 hours. Servings 4. Ingredients are 2 mugs of shredded mozzarella, 2 carefully stirred egg yolks. Instructions. Begin by prepping a level surface with parchment paper and afterwards microwaving your mozzarella cheese in a microwave-safe bowl. I suggest gently spraying the bowl with a little bit of non-stick before firing the cheese. Additionally, stop the microwave every 1 minute to blandly stir with a non-stick splashed fork. This need to take about 2 to 3 minutes total for the melting procedure. Permit the melted cheese to sit for 45 to 60 seconds before you move on. Following, tenderly fold the egg yolks right into the melted cheese. A spatula must go well here. When the mix begins to form a sphere, you prepare to go on to the pasta, making a portion. Transfer that ball that you made to the parchment paper that you made in the very first step. Then turn out the ball level. Tips. Divide the round in half and collaborate with 50% each time to make it simpler. Also, if the dough appears as well sticky, you can cool it for a couple of minutes. Spray your rolling pin with non-stick or oil, or use one more item of parchment paper over the dough while you roll it out. Then cut the dough right into strips or your preferred shapes. We require to permit the pasta to completely dry, so I recommend conceding the pasta to dry overnight, preferably in the fridge. To prepare your pasta, steam the water well, and also do not add salt to it. Then, immediately, drop your pasta right into the bubbling water and then remove it. The pasta should not be in the water for greater than 45 seconds. I think 30 seconds is optimum. Immediately wash the pasta under cold water. Recipe notes. Please see the post for information. As discussed, you have to utilize the store-purchased shredded mozzarella as it is an excellent consistency contrasted to home shredded mozzarella. This home pasta additionally cooks uniquely from the flour variant, so please review the cooking instructions before you go on with your delicious recipe making. Nutritional details is just a quote and also can vary specifically with active ingredients that are made use of. Nutrition. Calories 197 kilocalories. Carbohydrates 2 grams. Protein 14 grams. Fat 15 grams. Saturated fat 8 grams. Cholesterol 142 milligrams. Sodium 355 milligrams. Potassium 52 milligrams. Sugar 1 gram. Vitamin A 508 IU. Calcium 294 milligrams. Iron 1 milligram. Please note, nutritional information has been computed utilizing a device that includes this recipe sheet and not by me. This suggests that nutritional details is only an approximation and can vary particularly with components that you make use of. The precision of this means may vary from other devices as anticipated. Also, note that there is no instructional worth to the video connected to this procedure. It is only there for aesthetic pleasure. To learn more concerning the photos in this recipe, please refer the recipe instructions. Thank you. Follow me on Facebook and YouTube. See ya.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.